Responsive cards with perfectly fitted images. Clean layout using Flexbox. Inside the body, create a container with the class card container. Inside the container, add 3 card elements. Each card contains an image, a heading, and a short description. Use the image tag to display a card image. Add an H3 element for the card title. Then add a paragraph for the description text. Repeat the same structure for all 3 cards. This keeps the layout organized and easy to style with CSS. Start by targeting the card container. Set display to flex to activate Flexbox layout. Enable flex wrap so cards can move to the next line when space runs out. Add gap to create consistent spacing between cards. Use Justify Content Center to keep the cards centered inside the container. Now style the card element. Set a light background color to make each card stand out. Apply border radius to create smooth rounded corners. Set a fixed width of 300 pixels for consistent sizing. Use overflow hidden to prevent content from extending outside the rounded edges. Next, target the image inside the card. Set width to 100% so the image fills the card horizontally. Set the height to 200 pixels for a uniform appearance. Use Object-Fit Cover to keep the image proportionate while filling the available space. Now target the heading and paragraph. Add horizontal padding to create space from the card edges. Finally, target the paragraph. Add bottom padding to create extra spacing below the text and improve the overall layout. Clean cards, responsive layout, and perfectly fitted images. Subscribe to DevFix for more CSS fixes.